Okay, I make something. Okay, I put the ingredients. Some apples, some bananas, some ice cream, some blueberries, some strawberry, some apples, and all the ingredients already. And put it in the stove. And then light on. Okay, it's already done. Eat something for Elsa and me. Smell delicious and healthy. I just take a plate, go in the ocean. I get some. Please wait. Order the 2 plates. Make it. Then cut on. And then smell delicious and new. Elsa, Elsa, Elsa. Oh, hi. Something for me? You? Yes. Okay, come on in. It's a delicious made cake. Oh, yummy. Sit on and eat that. It's very delicious and eat the egg also. Yum, 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 yum. Delicious. Yes. Yes, I just forget to try. Oh, I need that. I see everything on the sky. Okay, I need to make something. Oh, alright. Oh, I need to make delicious